So guys, this has been in my mind for quite some time now, but I would like to present to you the Arrma Limitless counter-rotating drift car. So as you can see, we have the two axles here. It's actually split down the middle here. So this motor is going to drive the front, and this motor is going to drive the rear. As you can see, it's independent of each other. So as I drive, you can see they counter-rotate of each other. So it happens even in gas engines, but whenever you hit the gas, you can see the chassis will twist to one side or the other depending on which side the motor torques to. So that causes uneven traction. So with this, we should completely eliminate that torque twist by the motors turning counter of each other. So I'm very excited to see how this goes, and this is two 5690s. I mean, these are huge, massive motors. This thing is going to be a beast. We're going to be running 8S. It's the geared as low as I can get it, really, and it's still going to be geared for almost 100 miles an hour. So this thing is insane, guys. I can't wait to take it out and show it to you. These are the Bypass solid rubber tires. I mean, it's going to throw some smoke. It's going to tear it up, guys. We're going to have some fun. Can't wait to see it. Stay tuned.